Hello, and this is a Klesh Gold Beginner Paydirt review. I'm a beginner at this. All I got's a finishing pan, some tweezers. You buy it and you're gonna get 1/4 gram supposedly. We'll see, measure it out, and try to get as much of it as I can. Comes with a cool sticker. I thought that was one of the neatest things. It's like 40 bucks on Amazon, so hopefully you don't waste too much. We'll see what we can find. And it's just rocks. Check it out. Ooh. Nice piece of quartz. There goes nothing. This will probably take me a while. I don't really know what much I'm doing with it. Take out some of these cool gemstones. Looks awesome. Oh wow. There it is. Well, that's good. Take that out. Yep, I missed some gold. Piece so far. Probably a ton of flake. There it is. You got a crappy microscope at home, you can track it out. That's gold. I don't know how pure it is. I don't even know if it's gold. I'm just gonna take their word for it that this is gold. Sure looks like it. It's shiny as hell. Nice and yellow. I think it's gold. It's all blobby and so we'll weigh it out and see how much I missed or how much it comes to. Not going to be very good scale. I could try something else. Let's see if I could zoom in any more. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, look at that. Sweet. Hell yeah. Well, now I know. I'll find something. What it's gonna look like. Found something the other day. It was not one of these. Alright, well, I'll weigh it out and I'll put that one. Well, 0.3 of a gram. It's a quarter gram. What the hell? Ah, nuts. Turned off. Alright. Yep. 0.3 of a gram. That's not bad. Well, I guess in conclusion, that's pretty good stuff. I would definitely get another one of those. It's great for practice. Well, anyway, thanks for watching, guys.